Jai Shri Swaminarayan. SSTN School CBSE Mankwa, runs by Shri Sahajanand Gurukul Mankwa, welcomes you all to this online education. I am Jyoti Bhanushali. Today we learn the standard 8 SST chapter number 1, resources. In our last video we have learned about how things around us become resources. Yes, how they get value and they become resources, right? Then we learn about some types of resources. In that, first one is, okay, how many resources are there? How many types of resources are there? Yes, there are mainly 3 types of resources, right? First one is natural resources, second one is human-made resources, and the third one is humans. Very good. Now, we have seen the natural resources. In that, they classified into some groups like level of development and use, their stock, their originality, and their distribution. Now, today we will learn about the distribution, how these all resources depend or define into this distribution. Note it down. As you all know, first of all, keep your notebook, your pen, pencil, your textbook with you, okay? Yes, and you have to write all the things what I will write on this board. Yes, let's start. How these all resources dependent on their or classified by their distribution. They are classified by their distribution as ubiquitous and localized. First one is ubiquitous. Now, what is ubiquitous? Yes. What is ubiquitous? Yes. The resources which we can find anywhere, everywhere on this earth. It is called the ubiquitous resources, like the air. Right? The second one, localized. Now, which resources are called localized resources? As we know that ubiquitous resources are which we can find everywhere on this earth. So, localized resources are there which we can find in certain places or in certain areas. It is these are called the localized resources. Now, as copper, iron, okay, these are called the localized resources. Etc. Now let's see about human-made resources. Now just tell me that what is human-made resources? Human made resources are the resources which are made by humans. Yes, which made by humans are called the human made resources. Let's see. Human made resources. Now just look around you. Yes, what you can see around you. Yes, very good. You can see fan, window, road, then buildings. Yes, very good. Bridges. Okay. Temples, houses, schools. Yes, these all are called the human made resources. Human made resources मतलब क्या? ऐसे resources, ऐसी चीजें जिनको humans ने बनाई है. ओके, आप अपने आसपास देखिए, आपको जो भी दिख रहा है नेचुरल थिंग्स के अलावा वो सारी चीजें हैं ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेज. राइट डाउन द एग्जांपल्स. House, road, buildings and etc. Now let's see about human resources. Now what is human resources? We know natural resources, human made resources. Now what is this human resources? Yes. Okay. So there are so many different types of peoples are there, right? Yes. Some has the unique skills and some don't have. They have to cope up. मतलब कि बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं हमारे आसपास, कुछ हैं जिसमें कि ऐसी कई स्किल्स होती हैं कि वो न्यू जो टेक्नोलॉजीज आते हैं, नई जो चीज़ें आती हैं उनको अच्छे से यूज़ कर पाते हैं. जबकि कुछ ऐसे होते हैं कि जिनके पास वो स्किल नहीं होती है. ओके, तो दिस आर कॉल्ड द ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेस. ओके, यस. Here we are completed the types of resources: natural resources, human made resources and human resources. Now if we have these resources, then if it is it for a long time, lifelong, for us and for our future generation, can they use it as we can? Yes, there are some resources which are available for them, right? And some of them we have to conserve them. Yes, now you have a question that what is conservation? How can we conserve all these resources, right? Let's see it. Note it down. conservation of resources. Now, what is conservation of resources or resource conservation? So, using these resources carefully and giving them time to get renew is called the resource conservation. मतलब क्या कि हमारे पास जो भी सारे रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल हैं, ओके, उनका अच्छे से यूज करना, मतलब कि उनका वेस्ट ना हो, वैसे उनका यूज करना और उनको फिर से रिन्यू होने के लिए, वो फिर से बन सके, उसके लिए उनको टाइम देना, उनको हम बोलेंगे रिसोर्स कंजर्वेशन. एंड आफ्टर दैट sustainable development. Now, what is sustainable development? So, balancing the need to use resources, also conserve them for the future. Means what? कि हमारे पास जो भी resources हैं उनका ठीक से यूज करना और फ्यूचर के लिए उनको स्टोर करना, उनको हम बोलेंगे sustainable conservation. Now friends, there are 3 R by which we can conserve all these resources. Let's see. See, there are 3 R by which we can conserve all these resources. Okay. First one is reduce. Reduce means कम करना. Now, what we have to reduce? We reduce the use of all these resources, whether they are renewable or non-renewable. Now, we have to reduce the use of resources, then after recycle. Now, what is recycle? So, we recycle all the resources that we have already used. मतलब कि हमने जो भी रिसोर्सेज यूज किए हैं उनका फिर से उसको रिसाइकल करना, मतलब कि फिर से उसमें से कुछ बनाना, यूनिक बनाना. देन आफ्टर रीयूज, और जो भी हमने रिसोर्सेज रिसाइकल किए हैं उनको फिर से यूज करना. दिस इज द 3R and it is the channel. Reduce, recycle and reuse. Okay, so these 3R stands for reduce, recycle and reuse. Now let's see some examples. Like, जैसे कि हमारे पास कुछ भी ऐसे, जैसे कि जो लकड़ा है, लकड़ी के जो टुकड़े होते हैं, तो उसमें से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ऐसी कोई छोटी सी टेबल या बॉक्स बना सकते हैं. ओके, जो हमारे पास वेस्टेज बैम्बू स्टिक्स पड़ी हो तो उसमें से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, कोई अच्छा सा बास्केट बना सकते हैं. जो भी पेपर शीट्स हमारे पास पड़ी होती है तो उसमें से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि पेपर बैग, जो शॉपिंग बैग्स होती हैं वो बना सकते हैं. ओके, खिलौने बना सकते हैं. सो दिस इज अ रिसाइकल एंड रीयूज. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, what you have to do, just look into your home, find out all the wasted things and recycle them and make some useful things from that. Okay. Here our chapter number 1 resources is completed. Now students, join Microsoft Teams meeting for your doubt solving. Okay. Jai Shri Swaminarayan.